Hey guys, JT Kicks Tech and Games back again here with another tech video. And today is going to be a big video. As you see, I have this decently sized package here. And what this is a brand new product. I pre-ordered it 2 weeks ago. And I've been waiting for this package and I'm really excited for it to come. And there's a lot to unpack in here. But before we get into it, I have to Corona-proof it. Give it a few sprays of Lysol. Not sponsored, by the way, but Lysol, hit me up if you want me to sponsor your cleaning products. Anyway, so we're gonna waste no time here and cut straight into the box. Alright, I cut open the box and now you see we have in here all of our contents. Pretty heavy. You know, I'm gonna do another video cut right here. Alright, I was able to see what it was. Now let's tear back this paper. And then here's the main event of the show. The new Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. I bought the unlocked version, the white unlocked version, and then while we're here, we'll just go through the rest of the contents of the package. I got a wall adapter since the new Samsungs don't come with the wall adapter. A 25 watt wall charger. I was also able to buy a Xbox controller that works for mobile PC and Xbox, and buying this also came with 3 months free of Game Pass, so that's pretty cool. And then I got 3 cases. This is the black clear protective case. It looked like a pretty thick case on the website, so I said, hey, why not? Let's buy it. And then got another one. This is a steel rugged case. Thought that looked pretty nice. And here we have a black leather case. Had to go with the luxurious touch. And then we have a Galaxy Smart Tag, which essentially what you do is you put this little thing here, like you can put it on something like this little string right here. The tag, put the tag on there, and then you connect it to your phone. If you ever lose it, you could just ping the tag, and boom, you know where your device is. Now I'm gonna get all this stuff out the way. I want to get to the main event. All right, now here we have the Galaxy S21 5G. Now it's a noticeably small box, smaller than the usual ones, because like I said, there is no charging brick. It just comes with the phone, the wall adapter, and I believe, not the wall adapter, the phone, the cord, and I believe that's it. There's one thing I can't remember, but we're gonna go ahead and cut into it. Alright, I've broken the seal after a war with it, and now let's slide it off. Take this off here, and then boom, we have the nice Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. Now I'm gonna lift it up here. You see, I did buy the white and silver colorway. I think it looks much better in person than on the picture. And the back feels nice. We're gonna go more into the phone in a second. Then back here is where we have our new USB-C to USB-C cable, which is faster than USB-C to USB-A like the other ones, but they don't put a wall adapter like I said, which in turn Makes you spend more money on their products to buy a wall adapter, but luckily for me, I got a pre-order deal, which is why I got all those extra stuff with the phone. And the rest of this stuff here is just paperwork, I believe, and yep, that's it. So here we have the Galaxy S21 5G. We have a 6.2 inch 1080p variable refresh rate display. Now what that means is that it's a variable refresh rate, so it ranges from about 40, it goes from 48 to 120 frames depending on what's being displayed on your phone, I believe. We have a 64 megapixel camera on the back, and then we also have 8 gigs of RAM with a Snapdragon 828, I believe. I could be wrong. Hold on one sec. Okay, upon reading further information, I got my information from the wrong source. So the rear camera is not 64, it's 12 megapixels, and then the front is 10, while the processor is an octa-core Snapdragon 888, the newest Snapdragon processor, so you should be running games, programs, multiple apps, whatever, at the highest possible speed. And Samsung is always the first Android phones every year on the market to sport the new Snapdragon CPUs and phones. So if you always want the cutting edge in tech, it's always good to go with Samsung. Now, another thing here, continuing in the Samsung Galaxy S20's tracks, we have a in-display fingerprint sensor. You can see the only buttons on the side are the power and the volume buttons. There is also no Bixby button, which I am upgrading from an S10e to this, so I'm glad they took out the Bixby button with the S20. The S21 also doesn't have it. And then something new to even me, it's 2021, I know, I just now adjusted, is that there is no headphone jack. Now that's fine because I do have Galaxy Buds, but for a lot of people still in 2020, I feel like that is a huge turnoff. Now for me, not necessarily, but for a huge chunk of people still, I feel like the headphone jack is still a necessity in the phone. Now, the build here, we have I believe Samsung call it like a polymer, kind of like a polymer back with an aluminum frame right here. So the polymer back is basically, it's just plastic. It's just a nice way to say plastic. And it feels really nice. I like the way it reflects light. It's a very nice plastic. Now, we can get into the phone. Like I said before, the display is a Super AMOLED 1080p variable refresh rate 6.2 inch phone. This is the smallest S21 you can get. In all the S21s do run 5G. It's also very bright right now. Now this is running Android 11, I believe, with Samsung's new UI 0.3. You can see here how nice and bright this screen already looks. This isn't even all the way, and this is already a pretty bright screen, pretty big phone. I'm really excited. So I'm going to set this phone up and I'll come right back to you guys. Alright guys, here we have the phone being currently set up. It's still transferring all my data, installing all my apps. This is not even half the apps that needs to be installed, but it's still working hard in the background, transferring all my stuff. It's already giving me notifications for news websites I've subscribed to on Google News. So it's slowly but surely getting there. But yeah, the device has a really bright display. Let's crank it up right here. The camera captures it well. That is an extremely bright display. And then the facial recognition, I think it's one of the fastest I've ever seen on a phone. As soon as it gets your face, it just snaps. It's there. It's super quick. And then using the in-screen the in-screen fingerprint reader. Oh, let me turn on the phone. That's fast. I've never used an in-screen fingerprint reader before. That's fast. That's almost as fast as the hardware buttons for a fingerprint reader. Still not as fast because, you know, it's behind the screen, so they have to do some workarounds there. But it's becoming a much faster and better technology of having in-screen fingerprint readers. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on the controller that I also got with this phone, and I'm going to be doing a full review on this phone in about 2 to 3 weeks, so look out for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video and channel with your friends and family. I haven't even used the phone, but I already recommend pick one of these up because it's a Samsung device and they never go wrong with any other phones. And don't forget to stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a happy and safe 2021. Peace out.